Please open order link in video description. https://a.seoclerks.com/linkin/3799487. Refer to a web page's collective shares, likes and overall social media visibility as perceived by search engines. These activities contribute to a page's organic search ranking and are seen as another form of citation, similar to backlinks. Social media is now more than a messaging and acquisition channel, it directly impacts an online store's SEO. This makes it more important than ever for e-commerce operations to build a cohesive social media strategy that focuses on promoting high-value campaigns, sales and products. Increasing social signals. Because so much sharing now takes place on major social media platforms, social signals may become as important to SEO as time on page, editorial linking and content quality. For businesses looking to raise their search rankings, it indicates that a comprehensive social media strategy might be in order, in addition to all of the usual SEO tactics. In other words, strategies designed to increase social media engagement can also raise your website's search engine ranking. Visit https://a.seoclerks.com/linkin/3799487. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and share this video to your friend and family, and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the next video.